Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since you guys seen me or heard from me. I've been busy with work and school and life and that type of stuff. So today I'm gonna show you a very affordable, like this is gonna cost like maybe $30, $50 the most, but it's gonna change the outcome of your kitchen. So like everybody else, I've been on YouTube looking at DIY kitchens, how people were painting the kitchen cabinets and adding marble sticky-ons and marble contact paper for their counters. So I did do the marble contact for my counters, but I seen this nice backsplash on Amazon. But in order for them to do my whole kitchen, it's gonna come to like $400, and I ain't spending the money on that for a rental. I'd rather do that when I buy my house. So this is our alternative look to get like that marble look for like a very affordable price. It's been a long day, y'all. So right here is, I'm gonna zoom this in, so hold on. So right here I have liner paper. I got this from my local Walmart. This cost me less than $5 a roll. I bought 4 of them. I don't think I'm gonna need all of them, but just to be safe. So as you can see, I did the top layer already. This was an old backsplash I had that I got from Dollar Tree, and honestly guys, I'm tired of the look. I want to do something new and something fresh. So I seen this at Walmart. I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty, I need it. And it clicked in my mind what I can use it for, and ding 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 ding, this is what I'm gonna use it for, guys. So I already started the top, and literally this is all I'm doing. You can either do the hot glue method. I'm actually gonna nail mines in, and instead of me taking this down and doing it over, I'm just adding mines on top. So I'm going to do this. First I'm going to show you how to do it first. Guys, it's super easy. Right here. All you need is a nail and a hammer. This is an old hammer. I think I got it from Home Depot for like $5. And these are a nail kit that I got on my local Dollar Tree. I mean, you get a whole bunch of nails for $1. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. Pack this up. Move mine, and guys, look how pretty this is. I got this on Amazon for like $10. Look, this is super cute. I don't know if I'm ever going to use them, but they look really cute in my kitchen. So exhibit B, I'm just going to take, oh, where's my nail? So I'm gonna move this over so I can show you guys. I'm gonna start over here. So I'm gonna start over here. And I have a nail here already. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick this through. Okay, that's one down already. But guys, when I say this is easy, it's so easy. Put that down. Look, that's so easy, guys. When I say it's easy, like it's super easy. So right here, and look how easy that was. I'm just gonna go in with my hot glue gun later on and just glue these two together so you don't see the line of demarcation, but that makes a big difference to a kitchen, guys. So excuse me guys, I'm gonna come back, and when I do come back, this is gonna be completely done, and I could show you my very affordable kitchen that was under $50. So be back soon, okay? So I just finished it. It's not completely done yet, but as you guys can see, I have to cut some of this off, and I'm still deciding if I want to just keep adding more over here, but this is it guys. That makes such a big difference. I'm not gonna lie, mine's is like sloppy because I really didn't put the time and effort in it compared to what I did it the first time. But this makes a big difference, and I was saying for my counter, you know, I did the whole contact paper. I didn't put it right here because my microwave comes here and it hides it, so I don't have to do that. But guys, look how pretty this looks. It makes such a big difference. I'm gonna clean up this area. I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna show you guys the outcome. Okay guys, I just put everything back on, and this is how it came out. When I tell you guys, this looks so cute. Look at that. So this is the contact paper that I got from Amazon. It was like $8. I bought 2 rolls, but I think I used 1. I bought these counter stoppers off Amazon, you know, for food stuff doesn't fall down here, which comes in really handy. I got this from TJ Maxx for $1. This is also from Dollar Tree for $1. I put my spoon and stuff when I cook. I got this cute knife set from Amazon for $13. The reason why I actually bought it, because this was clear. And guys, it looks so cute. I added some contact paper inside just to give it like that classic look. My books, I added this up here so to pull get some napkins and stuff. It's a lot easier. This was originally wood, just regular wood. I put some contact paper on it. I'm still gonna keep it like wood because my counters are still, my counters, yeah, what is this called? Not counters, cabinets. My cabinets are still wood, and I think this looks really good. I just did this for now. Like I said, I couldn't find my hot glue gun, so I just used some marble tape. Yes guys, they do make marble tape, and I'll probably fix this in a couple of weeks. I'm not on no rush to do anything, but this is just an affordable way if you rent an apartment and you want to have like do crazy stuff like I like to do. This is an easy way to do it. It's really affordable, and guys, like I said, it's really cheap, and this is how it looks. Bye y'all. So I thought I'd come on here and just let you guys know that I did finish this. The video is not uploaded yet, well obviously because I'm recording, but I did this, and I actually used this right here. This is adhesive laminate in marble, and this is what's on the wall, so you can definitely see the line of demarcation. Like I said, I'm not too focused on it, just want to make a difference in the kitchen, and this is how it looks. So I just wanted to show you guys how it came out, and overall, yeah, that's it.